GreenCare Lipid comprises the analyzer, a user manual, 4 AAA batteries, a pouch. GreenCare Lipid Test Kit box comprises 10 test strips, 10 capillary tube, an insert paper, and a code chip. The test kit can be stored at room temperature 2 to 30 degrees Celsius for up to 12 months from the manufacturing date. There is no need to refrigerate the test kit. The strip can be stored for up to 3 months after being opened. GreenCare Lipid is a point-of-care analyzer that measures total cholesterol, triglyceride, HDL, and calculated LDL in human whole blood. With only a few simple steps, the GreenCare Lipid Analyzer delivers accurate results in less than 3 minutes. GreenCare Lipid provides accurate results. It has a high correlation with a clinical chemical analyzer. As for precision, CV is less than 5% for each biomarker. GreenCare Lipid is easy to use. Testing is done from 1 sample drop. 3 items can be tested from 1 sample. Quality is our priority, and our research center provides a worldwide quality control service for every GreenCare Lipid analyzer via the internet. In short, you can receive a quality control service in your hands. An optical check process can be started by pressing 1 button. There is no need to insert a check strip to do an optical check. It is easy to clean the optical sensor inside the GreenCare Lipid Analyzer. There is no need to clean the optical sensor carefully with a cotton swab. An audio guide is also provided, so you easily complete the test by following the guide. You have various options to choose from. First, the portable printer cradle. The printer cradle can print the results directly from the connected GreenCare Lipid Analyzer. Second, the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi function. This function makes it easy for you to store results. Lastly, you have 2 options for turning on the GreenCare Lipid Analyzer. One is the AAA batteries and the other is the USB supply. Capillary blood and venous whole blood samples can be used in the GreenCare Lipid test. The sample volume is 35 microliters. Operating GreenCare Lipid Analyzer. To turn on the GreenCare Lipid Analyzer, either insert the AAA batteries or connect the USB cable to the analyzer. You can also operate the analyzer with 2 AAA batteries. Then turn on the analyzer by pressing the power button. GreenCare Lipid Analyzer starts self-check of sensor after you press the right button 10 seconds. You then see OK appear on the analyzer display. Now you are all set to run GreenCare Lipid Analyzer. To obtain optimal results, please follow these procedures exactly. Let's begin with how to use capillary blood samples with the GreenCare Lipid. Before using, there is no need to wait until the test kit has reached the room temperature. Open the strip box and insert the code chip into the analyzer. Keep the code chip until the whole of the test kit has been used. Open the strip vial. Once the test strip is taken out of the vial, it should be used within 5 minutes. Gently equip the strip on the GreenCare Lipid Analyzer. Do not touch the strip scan area. Select the puncture site at the tip of the middle finger of either hand. Using the alcohol swab, clean the finger and allow it to dry completely. Then prick the fingertip using a lancet. Firmly press the lancet against the puncture site to activate the device and puncture the skin. Apply gentle pressure. Massage the lanceted finger vertically from the base of the finger toward the lanceted fingertip to form a drop of blood. Use the capillary to collect a drop of blood. The blood will be drawn automatically. Collect blood from the surface of the drop of blood. Be sure to hold the capillary tube horizontal while collecting the sample. In that way, you can avoid air bubbles. Please do not collect the sample with the capillary tube in a vertical position. When you have completely taken the capillary sample, gently press the tube to put the sample into the strip hole while closing the air hole on the capillary tube with your finger. Be sure to close the analyzer cover after you drop the sample. When the analyzer cover is closed, the analyzer automatically runs a lipid profile test. In less than 3 minutes, the result is displayed on the screen and is printed out on the thermal printer. Then remove the used test kit from the analyzer by pulling it out and dispose of it. Close the cover manually when the analyzer is not in use. A screensaver will appear after 1 minute of non-use. To reactivate it, just tap the screen with your finger. GreenCare Lipid can store up to 500 results. You can also use a venous sample to measure a lipid profile. Remove the venous sample from the refrigerator and wait until it has reached room temperature. A venous sample can be stored in the sealed tube for 3 days at between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius, or for 6 hours at between 21 and 26 degrees Celsius, 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for 3 days, 21 to 25 degrees Celsius for 6 hours. Please do not use hemolyzed, coagulated, or diluted samples. Gently mix the sample by inverting the tube 8 to 10 times before using. Slightly tilt the tube. To collect a venous sample, place the capillary tube onto the venous sample while pressing the top of the tube. When you have completely taken the venous sample, gently press the tube to put the sample into the strip hole while closing the air hole on the capillary tube with your finger. Complete the test as described for the capillary tube sample. Control solution tests confirmed that the GreenCare Lipid system is in good condition and providing accurate results. To ensure the GreenCare Lipid Analyzer gives accurate results, control solution tests must be carried out periodically and the test results must be within the acceptable ranges. Kindly refer to the user manual to learn the recommended frequency of control solution tests. To purchase the control solution, please contact your local distributor. Blood glucose test. Complete the test as described for the capillary tube sample. Using the alcohol swab, clean the finger and allow it to dry completely. Before pricking the fingertip, gently equip the strip on the GreenCare Lipid Analyzer. Then prick the fingertip using a lancet. Then gently squeeze the punctured area to obtain the blood sample. The required sample volume is 0.5 microliters. A simple blood test with GreenCare Lipid will reveal your cholesterol level. Reliable, remote control for QC self-optical check. Easy to use, 3-in-1 GreenCare Lipid test strip. Easy to clean optical sensor audio guide, additional power and USB. Versatile, printer cradle, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0 BLE. Manage your healthy life with GreenCare Lipid.